of the Most High, Jah Rastafari. You know I'm Rastafari Soldier. Yes, and I'm here full joy in a red striped beard in the center of Santa Cruz Square. Wish you was here. Yo, subscribe, like, and share. Leave your comment. Yes, I wish you was here. Big up all my friends and family. Oh, cause you honor me. More life, more joy, more happiness. Yo, greetings in the name of the Most High, Jah Rastafari. Yeah, you know, it's Rastafari Soldier. Yeah, and you know, I'm driving up Spur, yeah, with my family. Right now, I just see right here, we're driving up Spur Hill. I may have video all myself. I ride it all on my knee. You see? Yeah, it's more life and more joy. See me cousin ride it. Yeah, bless up every little girl and boy. See? Yeah, Spur Hill we are ride up right now. Me have video. See? So, I show my cousin say, yo, I see him put things together. The big truck them the way I used to. Straight up Spur Hill. And this is a man like him go on and overtake man and then pick up on it. See? And I just flip this tongue and you can see what I go on, you know what I say? So you just hold it, I say you hold it. More life, more joy, straight up Spur Hill. Yeah, so every little boys and girls know say yo, Rastafari run the world. See me Rasta comes here. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Hold the camera right and just hold it down video. Whatever you ask me. One up. Press up. One up. Straight up Spur Hill right. Yeah, give all the time for us to get video out too. Yeah. Spur Hill going up. See it. Come on, Jamaica me there, see my cousin here, you know. Shana, you know. What you dealing, Shana? Huh? Not that thing? Yo, you hear about my YouTube? Deep Roots TV. Yo, make sure you subscribe, see?
Yes.
Alright, give them. Yo, bless up your friend them and make them know where you're at.
Stop.
Hilltop.
Badness.
Alright, alright. See my cousin there. I saw we do it. See my family there. You see? How I do know? Yeah, see there. Them say a hilltop badness. Well, a hilltop goodness me I deal with. See? More life, more joy, more happiness. Jamaica me there. Alright? Now look to the corner here. Man, them see. It's all out there. Man, them side view of the window on it. Then them see the hill over there, sir. On the turn. Them get all them out there. Catch them out there. Yes, we get past Spur Hill with it. Yeah. That's the far out. See how they mill it. Yeah,
This is a drug center.
Yeah, let me see it.
Yeah. Drug center.
Yeah. Let's see it though.
Drug center.
What you do at the back with me?
Yeah, drug center. Ray. Looking over Southfield. Over Southfield. St. Bess. St. Bess. Yeah. Sure, man. Take that out of the picture, you know. Video him. I look your phone, Greg. Yeah. That time I have video in my look. Let's check this here. All Trade Center. This is Rasta.
Yeah. And that are the view. This is the front view. I go straight up the hill, them called Spur Hill. I double lane, man. You can do it. I come over and give me. You don't want to overtake. I overtake me. Yeah. Down them man, we are going to go down. Straight up Spur Hill, we are taking that drive. Simple. Yeah. Live from Jamaica, St. Elizabeth. You know it's Rastafari Soldier. Where him there on? Yeah. I gotta take it straight up Spur Hill. Yeah, we're going in the Mandeville. So just stick with us. Yeah.
Don't go up too much on that boy.
I give him a little lens, man. Thanks and praise, mommy.
Go around the boy and take your time.
Yeah, me I take my time, man. Yeah, that do. That's my cry. I take my time, I take it easy. Yeah, I take it easy and just a touch up here. And that area will make your vehicle start lifting up. Yeah. Spur Hill, St. Elizabeth, Jamaica. Yeah, going straight into Mandeville. What a great topographic, beautiful scenery. Yeah. Coming straight from Black River, coming straight through Laconia to Santa Cruz. You know it's Rastafari Soldier. They're giving you a great tour. Remember, subscribe, like, and share. Yeah. Yeah.
Black River.
Yeah, I'm bringing you up. My family, see him look like me.
Alan Bambo, Black Cobra.
Enough time with the foreigner, so I have to do it, you know. My video all myself. Yeah. I'm over there now. Okay. Pushing out. Have a barricade. Yeah. Them foot is there. That's good, man. Alright, man. I got one. I'm forward up in that girl to film and show you the vibes. Most time I have some time I'm foreign. I'm video on my blood itself.
Boy, stop here, I did take one piece of chapter parts on the game back to sell and collect more and back